Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're alerted anytime a new video is posted. And make sure you guys leave me some love in the comments down below. I'm back. So today, this video is going to be sponsored by Cupshe, and it's a swimsuit line that is designed for all women of all sizes, which I love what they represent, right? They represent, just body positivity, okay? And so I'm excited to be partnering with them for this video for you guys. They sent me 4 different suits, okay? And 2 are 2-piece and 2 are just a 1-piece. And so I'm excited to try them on for you guys. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit because I haven't opened them, I haven't tried them on yet, so we shall see together. So yeah, I will also link the suits that I'm trying on in the description box below, as well as a coupon code for you guys to go on and save some money on your purchase. So that way you guys can get beautiful, feel good about yourselves this summer. Even if you aren't going, out anywhere or traveling, you might go to the pool in your backyard, or you might just want to lay out on your patio or whatever. You want to feel good about yourself. So this company is going to do that for you. Like I said, they have beautiful, beautiful pieces on their site. So I'm excited to try them on. I wanted to show you guys the packaging because the packaging is so cute. So this is the packaging, okay? It came like this inside of the, shipping packaging. All right, so I'm really excited about it because it's cute and it says live life on the beach. But yeah, let's go ahead and try on some swimsuits. All right guys, so this is the first look, okay? This is like a burnt orange color swimsuit. It's the 1-piece. I actually love, love, love the color, right? That burnt orange color is really good for summer. This is cut really low, probably lower than I would usually go for myself, if I were buying it, maybe. But I love it. It's actually very securing for the ladies. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then in the back here, it goes, a little bit higher up, right? And then the butt is also pretty securing. So yeah, I like this one actually. I would actually probably buy something like this just based on color alone. And it also has this little like fringy part here. If you guys can see that, you should be able to. This part here around the tummy area just gives you a little bit more security, which I think if you have a little bit of extra, you have that little thing there to kind of give you more support, which is nice for us ladies who like that. So yeah, I like this one too. This is the material, if you guys can see that. This is the material. It's like a swimsuit material for the most part. But yeah, I really like this one a lot. It's definitely one I would definitely wear this one to a beach, to a pool. Yeah, so I like this one. Thumbs up for that one. All right, so let's go to the next one. All right, guys, so this is look number 2. So it comes with these bottoms that are high-waisted, okay? And it comes with this top here, all right? These flowers, I like the print. I love the print. I like the colors a lot. The fit is, for me, I probably would get it a size bigger. So if you're gonna go with this particular style suit, all right, I would do a size bigger because, this is my accurate size that they sent. But it fits like a size smaller. So I would probably go with a size larger just for comfort. Surprisingly enough, the bottoms fit okay, but the top is the part that's a little bit tighter, right? And I don't have a whole lot working with up here. It looks like I have a whole lot, but I really don't have a lot. So yeah, I would get this probably in one size bigger is what I would do. And then the back is really cute because it crisscrosses like so, right? So that's really cute. I like that a lot. And like I said, the bottoms are high-waisted. So yeah, I like this one as well. I really love the colors. Like, I love the colors, the pattern. I like the offset of the stripes against the flowers. That's really cute to me. So yeah, I do like it. And I like this little tie thing. So if I could change one thing about it, it just would be the size. One size bigger. That's it. And then I would be like, yes, flower me. But yeah, I do like it a lot. And it's a good color, you know, for summer accenting, you know, accenting yourself, that kind of thing. Yeah. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, guys, so this is look number 3. The bottoms don't fit actually at all. So I put the top on. It's supposed to be a 2-piece. It ties in the front here, so you can do like a bow. And then in the back just is like this. I do like that it ties. It's really cute. The way you put it on like a jacket and you just tie it. So the bottoms are sunflower. I actually really like the bottoms. I wish they did fit, but they don't. Sunflower is my favorite flower. And so this is what the bottoms look like. To give you guys an idea, this is what the bottoms would look like with the top. But they don't fit. So kind of sad. The one thing about this one, I wish it was high-waisted like the other one. It probably would have fit then, but these are like bikini style, and they just don't fit my bottom. So being, you know, someone that's curvier and, you know, fuller hips and things like that, you definitely want to get something that's gonna, you know, make you feel good and comfortable and beautiful in what you wear, right? So I wish the bottoms fit, but they don't. But I do like the swimsuit overall. Like, I love the pattern, of course. I like the colors. I like the whites. I love that this ties in a bow, right? So that's really cute too. So next. But yeah, so let's go ahead and we'll try on the next one. This is gonna be the last one for the try on haul. They sent me 4. This will be the 4th one. So let's see if we like it. All right, guys, I'm back. So this is the final look. This is the 4th swimsuit that they sent. This is so cute. I have to tell you guys. Okay, so first of all, the material, amazing, right? They have great quality stuff. Now I want to go into some detail real quick about this one. So I love the neckline, right? So it's like a little scrunch neckline, right? And it's got the straps. So those are straps, and you can tighten them from the back to make them tighter. I had to do that to make it smaller. It was a little bit big on me at the top, but it gives you a little bit of cleavage, right? Just something like fun. And then this gives you that same like ruffly, you guys see that type of thing? I love it. And then you have, of course, your back. So of course you have the back of it, right? So it comes up higher, which I do like. And then it's just, you know, regular one piece, right? I love this one. This is probably my favorite one. In addition to the pattern and the color, like, it's so good. It's so good. I like it a lot. I'm definitely gonna wear this one. If I go somewhere, to a beach, to a pool, whatever, I'm gonna wear this one. This one's so cute. This one's probably my favorite, and then I like the orange one second, and then the high-waisted ones thirdly. And of course the other ones last because the bottoms didn't fit, so I couldn't really get a real idea of like the whole overall look. But I love the material of it. I like the top, and I actually like the pattern of that one too, because like I said, sunflowers are my favorite. So, but yeah, this line overall, I would say, is great, guys. Like, the material, the fabric that they use, like, it's really high quality stuff. Like, it's not gonna be anything cheapo, so that's good. It makes you feel good, makes you feel secure. Yes, it's so cute. I'll show you guys. I love the neckline on this one too. I like stuff that's like a little different and fun. And then I like that you have this and then you have that, right? It's like, who is she? Who is she? I love it. So yeah, I would give this brand a 10 out of 10, guys. If you guys are looking for affordable swimsuits that fit all sizes, They go like from like an extra small all the way up to like I think a 4X or something like that. So it literally is designed for every single woman in the world. If you are a woman and you like to wear swimsuits, you want to go to the beach, you're going to a water park, you want to lay out, you want to just feel good about yourself, definitely Cupshe is going to be the way to go. Like I said, I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys, so that way you guys can also go and save money on your purchase. And yeah, tell them Key sent you. I love it. Leave me some love in the comments below, guys. That's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media sites. I'm gonna put them right down here below. They're also gonna be in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.